Look, placement. How's it, guys? Hope everyone's doing well. Yeah, obviously the markets today, we're going to go over Bitcoin and then run through a couple trades. I am short on XRP. Obviously, I think if you want to enter now, you can. Because if you're looking at price action right now, it already broke these lows. Okay. So this low over here was the low that I was waiting for. Broke this low. Now it's retracing back up to this box that we were looking at earlier. A lot of resistance over here. Tapped into that level. Should see a nice drive to the downside now. So taking sells now is, you could definitely look at that. Um, yeah, looking good. And obviously we did take a short here on Axie. If you want to look at Axie now, let's have a look. It is retracing back up to this level here. So we'll see what happens here. My stop loss is at break even for this trade, but basically we want to see price respect this level here. If it doesn't respect this level, then may see a bit more of a tracing back up, and then I'll look at re-entering again. But yeah, looks clean. Because obviously the 1 hour candle did just close here. So when the 1 hour candle closes, we normally see price come up. Especially, yeah, have a look here. If it's working. Yeah, so sorry about that. But basically, like I said, we're still short on XRP here. Ethereum's also coming down nicely here. The whole market is kind of bearish today. I was expecting prices to tap into this level and come up, but you can see with Ethereum, it's closed back in this range here. So taking shorts for ETH now is definitely valid as well. You actually look at this. But if you did just join, you just run through the positions that we are in. Yeah, look at XRP here, right? You see, if I take away all the drawings, we want to look at flat, right? The resistance is over here. Did price close above that zone? No, it didn't, right? So as long as price stays below this key level here at like 0.6037, the market should come back down to retest the lows. Okay. So as long as that happens, fine. And you'll see when I've drawn it on the chart here, I'm expecting price to come back down and test these lows. So if you want to take a short here for XRP, you can. It looks very clean. Just a 5-minute retracing, right? Look how beautiful this is, how it comes back into the box here that we drew earlier. We should see price come back down here. Yeah. So, yeah, let's see how this plays out. See how this plays out. Looks very clean though. Bitcoin is coming up a bit here. Actually, I'm short on Axie as well still. I'm still holding. I did take a little bit of profits at these lows here. But if you look at the 1 hour time frame, the next key level is this zone here at 5.114, right? Carry on going to the left. There's nothing really else here. You do have this. Where's this? Oh, that's why it was getting. If we bring it back, taps into that low. So we need to see that flip. Once that flips, then that looks. But I mean, this resistance, that support over here on the left here, it already got taken out already. So we don't really need to come far back as this. But it is a critical zone, so we do need to watch out for that. Yeah, let's see. And if we take the fib, let's have a look here. See where this can retrace to. 0.5. So we have the 0.5 level at like 5.241. Definitely retrace to that level. But I mean, honest with you, this is still bearish. Same thing with XRP. We're expecting quite a nice drop here. Yeah. So yeah, let's go back to Ethereum because we're looking at that short for ETH. Look here. We don't really want to focus on Bitcoin here. Nothing really to trade for Bitcoin. It's very slow. I don't really want to trade Bitcoin today. So if we have a look at this chart over here, look at the 5. Yeah, once this breaks this previous low over here for Ethereum, you can look at a short. Yeah. Basically, if you're looking at the higher time frames here, especially the 1 hour time for Ethereum, I mean, look at all these wicks over here. Every single time it tapped into this level, the wicks were getting smaller, had that massive drop, which shows you that price wants to come back down. It's like these lows over here at like 91, potentially 81. So yeah, there's a little bit of a retracement happening at MKR. I was looking at a sell for MKR, yeah. Have a look. Yeah, this looks clean. I'm gonna take this. Let's have a look here. If we have a look to the left, see these blue lines that we've got drawn in the chart are very accurate because you can see every time price taps into the zone or like closes below the zone, where do we come next? Come back down this level here, which is a 2% move. Okay, so taking sells based on that. If you have a look more to the left here, same thing, right? Yeah, obviously there's a huge wicks over here. So whenever price normally breaks below here, we normally tap into this level, especially with the market being quite bearish today. Taking soldier is definitely plan. Let's go to the 30 minutes. The 30 minutes, fine, fine, fab. Okay, so we're gonna wait here for MKR. We'll be looking at a short. Yeah. But like I said, market's bearish. Kind of only really want to look for sells. You did take that XRP trade when I told you we should be up quite a bit here. That even while Bitcoin's coming up, XRP already finished its retracement. So that's why we wanted to take the sell. Once XRP breaks this low over here, the low I'm looking at right now, like a 5-minute low, right at 59.72. Once we start breaking that level, we should see quite a nice drop within the next hour or so. Yeah. So let's wait for that. Bookmap for Bitcoin. Have a look. Put on the 10 minutes just to keep it close. 10 minutes for Bitcoin. Yeah, like I said, that 30. Look how many orders are sitting at 300. Yeah, 323. Quite a lot of buy orders here, and we hasn't tapped into that level. Okay, so once we tap into that zone, we break that level. Then the next key level is that 200 level. Yeah, so 200. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, XRP just needs to break this low here. Once it breaks this low, um, we should be running here. Same thing with Axie. Axie is still good. Excels. Yeah, it's still respecting the 0.382 retracement. As long as it respects this level here at 225, that's fine. Yeah. But overall looks good. I want to go back to Ethereum because that sell that we're looking at earlier could operate here. But I want to see a break of the lows here. Once we break this low, see how it's coming down now. You can take some sells and you can even put your stops just above this wick here. Looks very clean, to be honest. Nice little sell here, to be honest. That's already dripping. Nice. So yeah, I took this for XRP. I mean, sorry, Ethereum. The low for Ethereum is at, we spoke about it, 87, 81 to 87. Somewhere in between there, you want to be looking at distributing some profits. But you can see how we're dripping a bit. Bitcoin's coming down nicely. It's beautiful. And MKR, kind of want to look at this as well. MKR sells as well. You guys, you can see how the market's starting to drip now. Go back and see. Yeah, that 72 level for XRP is what we need to break here. Yeah, because that's a 5 minute low. But I would think that it would just break straight through it because if you look at the 15, we've already taken out that wick, which is, and we've created this top wick here. So the bearish flip is obviously what's pushed the market here. That's what we're gonna be trading. So technically, like, if you didn't enter here, you could wait for this 5 minute candle to close below this red line, and then you can add to your position again. Yeah, it's very clean. We do need to watch out for later though, but it's only at 10 o'clock tonight. We have, what's the date today? Tuesday. Wednesday. Wednesday. Oh, at 4:15 we have non-farm employment change ADP. So might have to watch out for that. Red folder news, basically high impact. So if the actual was greater than 149,000, then it's bullish for the dollar, which is bearish for crypto. So we need to watch out for that. And then at 6 p.m. we have manufacturing PMI and then job openings. Also red folder news, and then obviously later we have FOMC. So today's actually quite hectic. Yeah, it is quite hectic. You can see with XRP, it's still struggling to break this low. Needed to break this low in order for continuation to happen. Yeah. So let's see how if price. Let's see how that. See how price breaks this area. Yeah. If you did just join, we are short on 3 coins. We're short on XRP, short on Axie, yeah, and we're short on Ethereum as well. And then MKR also want to take a short share. Yeah, MKR looks so bearish here. Yeah. So you can see how XRP is just breaking this low. Did it close below? I think it did. Yeah, it just closed below. That's exactly what we wanted. Because if it didn't close below, then we would have just had consolidation for the next hour. But because it's closing below, we know that, okay, probability of price coming down is more likely when we create a top wick as well. So we're going to hold this one for quite a while. As long as it respects this level here, I mean, we're really close below it, and Bitcoin's coming down as well. I mean, I took a short for Bitcoin this morning on a 15x because I was looking at like the 4 hour chart. I'll show you what I was seeing here, and I'm only just getting in profit now. I mean, it was this morning when I opened the trade. Yeah, Bitcoin's definitely going to tap into this level here, 272 into there. 4 hour candles coming down, 1 hour candles coming down as well. Yeah, so if you guys are in longs, I just don't think it's valid. But this is the chart you need to watch out for Bitcoin here. Very, very evident that we're going to most probably tap into 34,250 within today. If not, then I'm not sure. Ethereum also looks clean. Everything's looking quite clean, yeah. Yeah, so XRP is just retesting that 59.70 level. Look on the 5 minute here. This is what we need to be watching. 5. Put XRP here to see where the levels are. XRP, USD. There you go. Need to struggling, yeah. So like if you haven't used Bookmap before, it basically just shows you all the key levels that you need to be looking at. But overall, like I said, not too sure. Oh, there we go. Okay, let's look here for XRP. This is going to show us quite a lot of information. Need to expand this a bit. Yeah, not really showing much here. I can't seem to expand this. But what level is this? 5.9. It's not really showing much. Yeah. The XRP here, if it closes above the zone on the 5, then it might take a little bit longer to. We don't want it to close above this red zone here on the 5, otherwise, it might just start back up here. Need this to flip 20 seconds. But if you look overall, like on the 30 minute here, because if you go down to the lower time frames, like the 1 minute, you go down to the 1 minute, obviously it's gonna look like it's retracing quite hard. But if you look at the 30 minutes and the 1 hour, Still very clean. See, we still have 5 minute closed above, but it's okay. As long as the 5 minutes, we need to see another the five close below the zone in order for price to come down. So we shorts in a couple pairs here. We took a short on Ethereum, we took a short on XRP, we took a short on Axie and Bitcoin. The 15's just like it's grabbing it. But if you look at the 1 minute, making low lows and low highs. Obviously, trading the 1 minute is really valid, but still clean. Same as Axie. So this next 15 minute closure is going to be very important for most of these pairs here. Yeah, so for this pair over here, I'll be looking at re-entering soon. It starts breaking this high here. I don't think it's gonna break this high. Breaks this high, then patience here. Looks like it might break this. Mm. 15 still looks clean. XRP, 30 minutes going to be closing bearish here. And the 15. So, And close below the wick. So this is still fine. It's bold. You may see a top wick being formed here though. Bitcoin closed with the doji here, so a lot of it this is 15 closed bearish though. If we look at Solana on actually 4 hour time frame, I want to see what level on. I think we spoke about the 37 level yesterday. We've already broken above that zone. Yeah, yeah, it's important. That's interesting. Solana shorts look so clean. This flips bearish. I'm gonna take short for Solana. Flip. So once this flips bearish, then we can look at shorts. Until then, can't really look at any other thing else. Yep. We have to see for Solana. We have to wait for the candle to flip bearish. Once it flips bearish, then it's valid. Until then, not really valid. That's what we're waiting for Solana. Once price flips bearish, then we take sells, but until then, wait. XRP still looks bearish. It's coming up a bit. Might tap back into the zone yet. 7. Meeting. Yeah, if you guys did just join, we're waiting for one position here, Solana. So we're waiting for this. So we closed below this key range here. So this range was found, go all the way back, found at the level of 38.83, which is the resistance. And we closed below it on this 1 hour time frame and the 30 minutes and the 15. Okay. Once this flips bearish, then we can look at sells back down to like 37.29. But overall, still bearish. It's just retracing. Don't really need to worry. Especially for XRP. And actually, yeah. But like I said, for Bitcoin, the thing is, when you're looking at Bitcoin now, yeah, the 15's struggling and it's struggling to break these lows. But the thing is, we do have a level that needs to get tapped into first year, 250. And I do think that this level is going to get tapped into there. If you break that 250 level, then we can look at more sells. Yeah, I mean, looking at re-entering here as well for Axie. This is a good entry at this level here. There's a nice little block over here that price has tapped into. But overall, I mean, the market is just facing. And Solana looks very, very clean. I will be taking that trade within the next 15 minutes. The next 5 minutes, sorry, if it closes, if it flips bearish. But if it doesn't flip bearish, then it's not valid. Have a look at Matic. Not much happening at Matic. Pepe has been dumping quite a bit there. Same thing with Pepe, yeah. Yeah, look at this. This is interesting. Pepe over here. Could potentially look at souls for Pepe. Only later though, once we flip bearish. We have a look to the left here. It's got very, very clean cells back down to 0.1 as 394. But yeah, there's not much else, guys. Like, I don't know. To be honest with you, there's not much else. Let's just be patient. Yeah, Pepe looks very clean. I want to wait for this 15 closure and see what happens. We need to close below, yeah. If it doesn't, then yeah, the market is retracing a bit, yeah. I mean, XRP was down quite a bit, yeah. I mean, it even broke that 5-minute low, but it's tapping back into this box here. This is the sell box. 1 minute. As long as the 1 minute doesn't break these highs, then it's clean. Let's see. Let's see what the 1 minute does here. Might see a massive drop here. One massive candle to the downside. I'm pretty much. I'll show you where I entered. I entered here. I'm pretty much back at entry. Where does this volume come from? There's news just now. You watch out for news as well. There's news at 4:15. So if the actual is greater than forecast, bullish for dollar. If it's less, then bearish, and vice versa. So like if it's bullish, bearish for Bitcoin, but if it's bearish, then it's bullish Bitcoin. But yeah, I think let's just wait for this 15 closure, and then if nothing really comes from it, then might have to call it. Like the 1 hour, that's a massive bottom wave there. That's quite clean. Looks quite bullish to be honest. 1 hour, not a good sign for shorts. But there's still 15 minutes, so at any given point in time, we can still flip bearish. But this sell zone here is the only zone that's going to be holding XRP from down. You can see every time we tap into the zone, we drive. But it closed quite strongly. No top wick. Let's see how this plays out. But yeah, if you want to take this setup, you just have to put your stops at this higher 6051. That'll probably be a very nice level. But a broke structure, broke structure, broke structure, making lower highs, lower lows. It's just one of those. Yeah. Yeah, let's see. Chainlink, we took those sells early on Chainlink. That was very clean, pretty hitsy. But Chainlink also still looks bearish. Let's like overall still bearish. Like points apparently just retracing. In Solana, we're waiting for the flip. Once Solana flips bearish, we'll take these sells. So you can see, waiting for price to flip bearish. That's exactly what I'm waiting for. I'm not going to take a sell now for Solana. Need the support to either break or need this candle to flip bearish. So one of the two would be good. See Bitcoin is starting to drop now, which is quite good. Have a look. Yeah, Bitcoin's starting to drop. Yeah, there is a top wick, which is good. See all these candles. Yeah, this whole little range. Yeah, for Bitcoin. I even draw it in the 1 minute. Yeah, make it a bit easier for you. I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. This little box here is representing three different 15-minute candles. Okay, you need to either see a break of this box to the upside or break to the downside to go like some type of direction. So looking at that, kind of what Bitcoin's been trading in for the last hour. Okay. So until one of these boxes get broken, like the top side or the bottom side, we won't really have much direction yet. But let's see, let's see. I'm gonna wait another 2 minutes here. See how we have a look at the 10 minutes. 10 minutes. There's no top wick. Still trading in that box. Same with the 6 minutes. Yeah, I mean, look at this, right? How it broke structure here, came back up, retest, comes back down. Yeah. Total market cap. Have a look at the 1 hour. We've drawn some levels here, very key levels for the total market cap. Yeah, look at this accumulation here. We need to see some type of break of this level here. Yeah, that would be clean. But yeah, overall, I'm still bearish. I mean, like the 1 minute, the 5 minutes, showing another story in terms of retracements. But I mean, overall, the market is looking bearish on even on the total market cap. So this shows you the total market cap excluding Bitcoin and ETH. This is mainly pure just for altcoins, right? So it's good to look at that to see like the sentiment on today. You can see that there is some type of retracement needed. Yeah, we could even see a retracement back down to like 345 billion, where I'd be looking at long in the market at that level. Let's see. Yeah, to be honest with you, not much happening here, guys. I think I might call it because kind of boring in terms of the market. 30-minute time frame, 1 hour. Thing is, still bearish, yeah. Like, look at Bitcoin, right? We just look purely at Bitcoin, yeah. Same thing. I mean, we've spoken about it a couple of times now. We need to see a break of this level here, or break of this level here. Yes, those are the key zones. Until one of these levels breaks, and we can't really do much here for Bitcoin. Once it breaks this low, though, we can look at shorting some altcoins. But yeah, I don't think I'm gonna. Yeah, just close 5 minutes here. I think I'm gonna call it. Not much happening. Um, we'll post some setups if I do see setups in chat, no Telegram. But at the moment, only really waiting for Solana, waiting for it to flip bearish, and that's about it. But yeah, thanks so much for joining, guys. I do appreciate everyone being here. And tomorrow we will have another live session. I'm doing one in the app as well. So yeah, we're gonna have 2 live sessions tomorrow.